Hi, I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp, and we are on another safari, this time in Arusha National Park.
So none of the cats are in this park.
None of the cats. There
Apparently lots of monkeys.
Lots of monkeys, giraffe and zebra, and it's just a one-day safari today.
So join us on our video about safaris.
Well, it's another day and time for one more safari, a one-day safari with Jeremiah this time. And we are going to Arusha National Park. Okay, we're going to do a little wandering here while he gets the permits and everything ready. Arusha National Park is a gem nestled in northern Tanzania near the city of Arusha. The park spans approximately 137 square kilometers and offers a diverse and picturesque landscape that includes lush forests, shimmering lakes, and the iconic Mount Meru, Tanzania's second highest peak, second only to Mount Kilimanjaro. The park is renowned for its rich biodiversity, hosting a variety of flora and fauna. Here you will find and witness an array of wildlife, including giraffes, zebras, buffalo, and a plethora of bird species. The Momella Lakes, a series of shallow alkaline lakes within the park, attract flocks of flamingos, making it a bird watcher's paradise. Now for the adventurous, Arusha National Park offers opportunities for overnight hiking and trekking, and the ascent of Mount Meru being a popular and rewarding challenge. The park's diverse ecosystems and stunning scenery make it an ideal destination for nature enthusiasts, wildlife lovers, and those seeking an off-beaten-path experience in the heart of Tanzania. Visitors can explore the Ngurdoto crater, a volcanic caldera surrounded by dense forests. However, on this day a large tree had fallen on the road and we were unable to make it up to the crater. Sadly, there is still some poaching happening in this park, and we came across a park ranger working with a zebra who had some kind of a snare tangled around his neck and he was trying to get it off. As we traveled through the park, it was so neat to see the giraffe, the zebras, and the Cape buffalo just hanging out together. The lions were not invited. You can drive through.
Okay, we're going to do a great river migration here, great river crossing of the humans. Recent rainfalls produce this kind of results. All the way down to this year.
While you're in the park, make sure you also sign up for the walking safari. This is your chance to experience a hike among the wildlife, as your local safari ranger will take you on a walking safari. This gives you a whole new and unique perspective of the national park, and it is very exciting. The scents and sounds of the African bush are best experienced by foot. Here you will be walking alongside wild, freely roaming animals in their natural habitat. Your ranger is experienced and knows what you can or can't do near these wild animals. Listen to him and you will have the best possible experience. Apart from sharing loads of knowledge about the animals you might encounter, your guide will also tell you about the unique flora and fauna of Arusha National Park. One of the highlights to be visited is the impressive waterfall that hides in the heart of the park, and of course walking among the giraffes is incredibly exhilarating. Many visitors come here hoping to spot the elusive colobus monkey. Giraffes majestically walk through the landscape, and other animals like buffalo, zebra, warthog, and blue monkeys are waiting to be spotted.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no can weather any storm. the crickets see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
After our walking safari, which was about 3 miles long, but we were gone probably close to 3 hours because of everything we saw. Then Jeremiah took us around to the rest of the park, and we got to see animals like these baboons, who were quite entertaining. Lots of fighting going on, and lots of young babies. And from baboons, we got to see the warthogs, and they actually joined in with the baboons quite often as well too. They were running around and amongst each other. And there's a few family groups that had lots of young babies.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We did get to see quite a few groups of baboons in the park, and they were scattered kind of all over in different regions and areas. Thank you for joining us on our safari to Arusha National Park. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up. And if you enjoy our series of videos, please consider subscribing and ringing the bell so that you'll get notifications of our next videos coming out. Now, this trip is over and we have just arrived back home, and we're kind of thinking what we're going to do next. We do not yet know, but we also need to know that things can happen, so we need to hold our plans loosely.